Hello everyone, welcome back to Inspiring Education Plus. Today we will start with a very new and important topic of English grammar, where basically everyone any now and then make mistake for them. What is that topic name? It is tense. Correct? Tense. What is tense? The basic definition of tense is the sentence which shows us the time. Time describes the sentence importance, whether it was in past, it is in present, or it will be in future. So let's understand few basic idea about tense. As I said, it shows us time. Now, is it possible that only a time represents the tenses? As I said, time is past, present, future. So, past, present and future. Only this thing represents by tenses? No. Whether the work, whatever work was done in past, or it is happening in present, or it will happen in future, that also represents by tense itself. So how many works we have? It can be a continuous, like a continuing, whatever we are doing, we will be doing, or we had done that. Second, it is a perfect work. It was done perfectly, it is happening perfectly, or it will happen perfect. Third, it is indefinite. We are not sure whether it will be perfect or no, whether it will confirm or no, it will be completing or no. We are not confirm about that word. So it can be past, present or future, but indefinite. That will be also a type of work. Last is perfect continuous. It is continuing working, but it is perfect. Like for an example, I am continuous teaching you and you are learning perfectly. That means the work of teaching and learning, it is continuous and it is perfect too. Correct? I hope it is correct. Yes. So this 4 types of work and time of 3 types. This is a basic concept of tenses. Tense represents 2 things, time and work. Time can be of 3 types, past, present, future. And work can be of 4 types, continuous, perfect, indefinite and perfect continuous. These 4 types. That means in total it is 12. But in continuous also there are 4 types again. I'll just write it down here. It can be affirmative. It can be negative. We will just bifurcate these things so that it will be very easy for us to understand. It can be interrogative or double interrogative. So these are the 4 types. I'll just write it down here. First type is affirmative, which is positive. Second is negative. Third is interrogative. Fourth is double interrogative. Correct. Now these 4 types of work, which is the subtype you can see. It can be in continuous, it can be in perfect, it can be in indefinite, and it can be in perfect continuous of past, present and future. So all these 3 time of past, present and future, 4 works of continuous, perfect, indefinite and perfect continuous with affirmative, negative, interrogative and double interrogative. All these things we will understand single topic in detail, where which word we should use, how and why, what is the formula of that particular sentence making. Everything in detail we will understand. So from today onwards, it will be the series of tense only, so that our grammar on tense will be confirmed and perfect. I hope you will enjoy the series of tense for sure. Thank you so much for watching.